starting from the time जब आपने career शुरू किया था, and there is this another meme which is going viral on social media which says that you are the lip sync king. आपके जैसा lip sync कोई नहीं कर सकता है, be it any song, like कोई भी गाना आप उठा लो.
For a while, but yeah, मेहनत बहुत लगती है उसके पीछे. जो
Like you
बहुत
own the song, Imran.
But it comes across that way because for it to look easy, it's very tough behind the screen. मेरा हमेशा से ये एक गोल रहा है, मकसद रहा है अपनी फिल्मों में. If you see even the way I play characters, I try to play it in a sense that आपको craft acting का नहीं दिखे. ऐसा लग रहा है कि it's a very casual way easy way of saying the lines and being the character. पता नहीं ऑडियंस के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कहाँ तक सफल हुआ हूँ मैं उस चीज़ में, बट दैट द सेम थिंग इवन विद लिप सिंकिंग. So when you have to get your lip sync right, you have to hear it like hundreds of times to get it.
Like I have read articles on how people have compared you with Rajesh Khanna साहब, क्योंकि उनको भी lip sync king कहा जाता था ना. I remember your first movie Footpath, उसका एक गाना मुझे पसंद भी बहुत है. I was talking सारी रात and the सूरत पे तेरी प्यार आए.
Yeah.
KK was your voice with Aftab Shirdasani. So this is what I was telling my team also, that there's a reason why he's called lip syncing, because you pick up any song and Imran kills it. तो कुछ ऐसे पर्टिकुलर ऐसा कुछ इंस्पिरेशन लेते थे आप इमरान किसी एक्टर से?
नहीं, जैसे मैंने कहा कि you have to hear it so much, वो एक आपके जहन में, आपके सबकॉन्शियस में इनग्रेन हो जाता है and it becomes like a reflex. मैं इस तरह अपने डायलॉग्स में भी काम करता हूँ. I learn my scripts from A to Z. I know my co-actors lines also. So I do it that way. I do it like a stage play. तो मेरा ये नहीं है कि अच्छा एक सीन कल है तो मैं उसको अभी एक रात पहले रिहर्स कर दूँ. I take the script and I just completely soak it in from start to finish. And I think that's when the ease comes out. और वही ease आती है जब आप कोई lip sync गाना देखते हैं, because I just completely saturate my mind with hearing it over and over again. That's why I'm sick of the song after I'm done with it. That's why I don't hear my songs after I shoot them.
आप जब बता रहे हैं मुझे कि इतना डिसिप्लिन से आप काम करते हैं when it comes to dialogues and everything, कभी out of discipline गए हैं इमरान?
I think I was a little indisciplined जब मैं, I wouldn't say indisciplined, I didn't know better.
Okay.
एक प्रोसेस मेरे करियर के शायद कुछ सालों में ही मैंने सीख लिया था, by mistakes, trial and error और unpreparedness, जहाँ पे आप सेट पे जाते हैं and you start feeling the fear and nervousness, but that came from ill preparation. जब आप नहीं prepare करते हैं, you become super confident when you put in the work before you get on the film set. और वो feeling शायद 2-3 साल के बाद मुझे आई, and then I started prepping that way for my roles, and I was like, you should just come on set and have fun, not feel the nervousness and anxiety. लेकिन उसके पीछे you have to feel the anxiety जब आप वो preparation कर रहे हैं, which has become a norm for me for every film.